Okay, hi everyone. So following the first unit I received, came back to Sheet, and Sheet sent me a second unit, which is working perfectly. So right out of the box, plugged in my iMac, it works. So without the additional power cord, you have the light and you have sound, and it's recognized in my iMac. As you can see here, I have actually connected my Cambridge, also DAC Magic Plus, and the Sheet Modius Unison that appears. So my problem is solved, and I have to thanks the whole Sheet team, because they didn't ask any questions. They sent me a unit as soon as I returned the first, and they paid for the shipping return of the first unit. So it's a very good. It's a very good quality service, like Amazon. So it's my first purchase with Sheet, and I have to recognize that it's a very good customer service. They have a very good customer service. So I'm happy. It's working very well. I will give my first impressions of the Sheet Modius. It sounds very good. It have a very wide sound stage, and very precise placement in the stereo field. You really have relief in the musical elements. You perceive the difference in dynamics in the left and the right canal very well. Really wide. I think maybe even wider than the RMI ADI2 DAC FS. It's very good sound, very good reproduction. A bit different than the RMI and the Cambridge in the character. Very neutral. I think it's better than the topping E30 that I have also here. For me, the topping E30 doesn't have the same sound stage at all. It's way more condensed. It's also neutral, but not the resolution of the Modius is in my opinion, I precise, it's better. So in this price range, I mean the topping is very good also for its price, but the Modius is superior. And the only downside is that with the topping you have the remote control. With the Modius you don't have the remote control, but with the Modius you have also additional digital inputs that you don't have in the topping. You have only optical coax. Here you have AES, coax, optical. So you choose, but I have both. Cambridge versus Modius, I don't know. It's very different. I like both. RMI, of course, you have more control. You have the EQ. You have two output for headphones, etc. So it's a different price league, but only for an output with XLR and USB, the Modius is very good. So I will use it for my headphone amp, or for just an output. So it's very good. I recommend it. Thanks everyone. Bye.